we might become cat owners in like an hour. Hi. Let's go meet her.
You've got me under wraps, darling, I'm in love.
Alright guys, I'm in the car with Sem, obviously, because we're gonna do something really exciting today. Oh, I can't wait. We're currently on the way to a different city in our country that is about like an hour or so away because I've been doing some Googling lately and I found a new little addition to our family. So we are currently on the way to go look at a kitten that we might be adopting, and we're so excited. It is a really cute little kitten. She's currently about 12 weeks old, and I don't know, like, we have no idea what to expect. We don't know what's gonna happen. So she's from the shelter, but she's currently at a family's home to spend her time there instead of in the shelter, which is amazing because the caretakers right now, they seem like really great people. So we're very excited to go and view the kittens that they have, specifically the one that we're wanting to look at. We're gonna go adopt a pet. We're just excited to go look and see what happens. But if I do say so myself, I picked out the perfect kitten. And the fact, like, the way it happened is so meant to be. I can't. It is a 3 set of kittens, and I found all 3 of them on this animal rescue shelter website that's like nationally known. I had just found them and I was like, oh my god, like, they just put this on the website? This is interesting because it was a set of 3 kittens and they all have something. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but in Dutch we say they have like a backpack with them, and that backpack is filled with like any of their like special needs. All 3 of them are so cute. But basically what happened is I called them on Tuesday and then they transferred me to the other person. So I called the actual family that's currently taking care of them, and I already kind of assumed that like other people would be looking at them. The other person that went to go look at the kittens is gonna take the other 2 kittens. Like, there's 2 ginger cats and then one of them is like freckled. She has, oh, she's so cute. She has white up in the front and then she's brown on the sides with ginger, and then she has like brown freckles on her nose, and it's so cute. Here's the thing, that cat was our first preference because we just feel like we would be the best match with her. So now we're left with our favorite kitten, and it's just one of them, which kind of makes me feel bad because I would have loved to like adopt 2 at the same time, but there's only 3 of them and the other 2 are already going, so I physically can't. But who knows what happens in a couple of weeks. I don't know, she's just perfect. So I don't want to get too attached, but like,
well, the lady that was like, the other 2 were picked, this one's still available for you guys.
Yeah,
so if
like,
it's
there's
a
no
match for us,
yeah,
it's gonna happen.
There's no other people that are gonna look at her today. Like, they made sure to go in like order of people like responding, which is good because you know how it is when you look at like apartments and stuff. You think you have a chance and then you don't. We're gonna meet this beautiful little cat, and I'm just so excited. Like, physically can't stop smiling. Her name is L-I-V-E. Dutch, we would spell it L-I-E-V-E. We haven't decided on a name yet, but that's also because we don't know what's gonna happen. I don't want to get too attached. I'm so scared. Oh! Let's go meet her.
I'm so excited.
Also, I was texting the woman that currently takes care of them, and she's been sending me the cutest pictures ever. This is literally my favorite picture. Look at this.
She's so cute.
Look at her nose, guys. in like an hour. So scared. Let's go.
It's gonna be fun.
Guys, I have an update. It's currently 4 hours later since we went inside.
We've been there for 4 hours.
We have been there for 4 hours. We went in, we met with all 3 of the kittens. We sat there for like 2.5 hours just playing with them, getting to know them, and then we had some lunch. We're now on the way to go sign the adoption. Oh, I'm so excited. This is literally insane. Let's go sign. I'm so excited. Cute. Got some stuff, and we also ordered some stuff already. And the sun is setting, so that's nice. Good morning, guys. Today is the day. It's currently 7:15 a.m. and we're about to hop into the car and go pick up our new kitten. Currently texting the host family to like make sure that everything's going great. The sun is currently coming up. It's so pretty.
I'm super excited.
I'm literally thrilled. Very, very fun.
It's gonna be so scared in the beginning, but
all the sounds.
My hands are so cold. I have to work during the day. The second we get back, I have to get out of the house.
I can stay home. I can take care of her.
And then when I get home,
play with
Annemiek has to work with me works from home, so it's good.
Ceilings plaster to be sitting here with you. Lovely to be rained on.
Let's go pick her up. Oh, she's so scared. Packages got delivered, so I'm currently gonna open up one of the towers that we got her because we got her a couple things to like lay in, including this one. I had to order it online, unfortunately, but I'm gonna open it up before she's like out and about exploring because I really don't want to scare her. Let's see. This is one of the towers that we got. So she has multiple places all around the apartment. This is so soft and cozy. I think she'll love this one. When you're inside, you can actually go up. We also have this package. This one has like the rest of the toys and like the food. We also got all these toys. We have a couple more coming still, so it's exciting. So we got a couple different things specifically for kittens. We got this brush that is like a softer brush just to get her used to being brushed, which I think is going to be good. She is really good with touch so far, so I'm not too worried. And then we got this toy, which she's gonna love.
Yes.
And we also got this one that has different sets. She's definitely got to destroy this in like 2 seconds. We're just gonna see if she likes this. So some tuna,
Foodies.
chicken. She likes these, so that's a good thing. She already eats these right now, so we want to offer like a variety of food, so we're gonna try both. And then we got her this toy that is like genius. Like,
I still don't understand what it is.
It's literally just string, but because it's string, it like bounces. So like when you do this, like it just like I don't know how to explain it, but it's really funny.
She likes
Cats
it.
love these, so we got that. And then we also already got her this hiding food type of toy. Just because we want her
Interactive.
to, like,
Be
interact
challenged
So.
intellectually.
So someone just climbed out and decided to hide. We already thought she was gonna hide back there, which is totally okay. So we'll just see when she comes out and everything. It's okay, baby. Just hello.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
Someone's got the zoomies.
Wrote some love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere?
Good job. Yes. Good job. Kom här, ska vi spela?
Saw you paint a picture of your face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, I want.